right, today we're going to be talking about glazing your gargoyles, and to start off with, you're going to need a couple of supplies. First of all, you're going to need a paper towel. You're also going to be needing a paintbrush today. You're going to need your gargoyle and some other tools you're going to need. You're going to need this is called a rasp, and this is going to be like a file for your clay project. I'll show you that in just a moment. And you are allowed to take up to 2 glazes at a time. You can have more colors on your project, just you can have personally 2 glazes for yourself at your table at a time. When you're done with this glaze color, you're just going to go set it back on the table. And I do have all of the bins separated right now. I greatly appreciate if you kept them separated in the correct place. It helps you for next time. Also, you need to be aware of what you see here is not exactly going to be what you'll always get. Some of them are, some of them aren't. This one's a royal blue. You can look at the sticker also on here and then make sure that the chip on the top of it is what you're wanting. So today you're going to be needing to put on 2 to 3 layers of glaze. And let's talk about your process before you actually get to glaze. You're going to be taking this tool right here, which is called a rasp, and the rasp is filing over the top of your project. If you have any unevenness or any pieces of clay that got stuck on your project, but you don't really want those there, you can take this and you're going to go over the surface. And your project, you'll see that some of this is like kind of fallen down on the table here. So you're going to take this and kind of go over the surface. What you'll also notice is that a lot of times it's going to leave little black marks on your project. Those black marks are going to fire right back off in the kiln, so don't worry about those. Something else you should know is you are not allowed to glaze his feet. Don't glaze the bottom of the feet. You're able to glaze and expected to glaze everything else on your project. So all of it should be glazed, just not the bottom of the feet. We don't want those to stand and get stuck on the kiln shelf. So whenever you're glazing, you're going to be taking your paintbrush and it's going to be a lot like you are painting. So you're going to glaze over the top of this and then you'll be able to let it dry. It dries out really, really quickly. Then you can go back and put another second coat on. Sometimes some of these are a little thin and runny. You might need a third coat. I highly recommend the third coat so that they are nice and even looking. All right, when you are finished with these, please put them back into the shelf where you had your wet projects before for your class. Have a great day. We will be finishing glazing with a second day of glazing, and then they will get refired. When you are glazing this time, they won't be shiny just quite yet. You'll have to wait until they get glaze fired to be shiny. Have a great day.